Whew. Let me switch off the engine. Now, yes, just few days back I released a video in which I told you I have been selling photos in almost 15-16 agencies and I have earned $1,800, that is more than 1,800 in the past year, that is in 2020, right? So why on earth would I stop uploading in all agencies? Yes, you heard it right, you saw the thumbnail right. I am gonna stop uploading in all existing agencies, and today I'm gonna tell you why. So please watch this video till the end. Welcome back, friends. For those who are watching me for the first time, I am a doctor and I love photography and have been uploading in stock photography agency since last 3 years. I have earned more than thousands of dollars, multiple thousands of dollars, and I have been uploading so many YouTube videos guiding all the juniors and beginners, as well as I'm taking feedback from the ones who are doing it full time, right? But those who know me since my earliest days in stock photography, those who actually know my portfolio, those who are the members of channel who are connected to me personally, they have seen the growth of my portfolio has stopped. It has really taken a hit, especially in the last year, right? So in 2018 and 2019, I actually uploaded almost 3,000 photos. And currently my portfolio has around 3,150, which means in the last 1 year, 365 days, I uploaded only around 150 images. Yes, I had my reasons. Because I didn't find time. Number one, due to this COVID duties, my schedule has been off the charts. I don't find time to sit in front of the computer, right? And I had a kid in last January who grew up all these years. So neither I find time at home nor I find time at the workplace, that is in hospital, right? That didn't stop me from clicking photographs. I take my camera everywhere, right? And I take my phone everywhere. So literally I click photos every minute. I click photos every day. 10 to 15 photos are stored in my hard drive almost every day, which means I already clicked more than few thousands of photos in 2020, but none of them were uploaded due to lack of time. I don't find time in clicking. I don't find time in entering all the metadata, the titles, the keywords in the description, right? So that leads to only one thing: I cannot upload anymore. And that also led me to try out a website named iStock. I made some video about it, made video in Hindi and English, and I told you that iStock has rejected my photos, alright? But the beauty of iStock was you just upload, you don't need to write any metadata or any title, keyword, description, caption, category, everything they do for you, right? In exchange of 15% of your commission, total earning. But in that video, my feedback about iStock was negative. It's changing in this video, right? Because as you can see, I have pulled out my iStock details. From that video, I posted my referral link and actually 44 of you guys have signed up. And 15 or 14 of you guys, almost 30%, have got some sales because it's showing in my referral income. Yes, it's true, I haven't got any sale in iStock, but I only have 133 photos because I never took iStock seriously. But since today, my new year resolution will be totally discontinuing upload in all the existing stock photography agencies and only contribute in iStock. It's much more comfortable to me. I can simply click and upload all those photos. Just let me loosen up a bit. I'm wearing these winter wear and I'm sweating. So all these photos are lying in my hard drive anyway. So they are not selling at all. But what if I upload them and iStock does the keyword and metadata for me, and at least they will have a potential of earning at least something, isn't it? I am disappointed about iStock. Let me show you this. Let me take one picture And you can see this image in which I am holding a phone and I have mocked up the screen. The title, the metadata given by iStock is not up to the mark. A middle-aged man, first of all, not looking middle-aged in this photo, is doing something with his phone. No, this is not what I would have typed. This is not the proper thing. There is copy space, there is mock-up, nothing is mentioned in the title, caption or the keywords. Remember friends, you can click the best photo in the world, but that will never sell if it is not discoverable. So it's a pain to look at the metadata that they are doing, but still it's much better than not uploading at all. My photos will be rotting in hard drive, so they will be earning zero anyway. So why not? They will have a potential to earn something. And as I told you, this is a numbers game. Persistence is the key. So my new year resolution will be to take my portfolio size in iStock up to 1000. If I get some sales, definitely I'll share with you. And if I get my portfolio to 1000 and still I don't get some sales, then my resolution or my conclusion will be, no, iStock doesn't work for me anymore. However, I have provided the referral link in my description, so if you want to try out iStock, you can definitely try out. You can click my referral link and you can sign up using that, and that will give me some idea that your files are selling, and that will also motivate me. Right? So that was it friends. If you have watched this video till now, you need to type earnings in the comment section. So I know you have watched this video till now. Hit the like button if you have liked this video, and know this, my new year resolution is to complete my iStock portfolio, to upgrade my iStock portfolio till 1000 photos or videos. It's very good. iStock also accepts videos, so I'll definitely try out some videos as well, because I don't have to add the metadata anyway. So let's see how it turns up. Please share this video to your friends, photographers and cousins if you like this video, because our aim is to build a strong community of stock photographers who can easily earn some money from their passion. And if you are like me, you are not finding time, even if you have the good English knowledge, but if you are not finding time enough, I'll definitely recommend you to try out iStock. Seriously, just give it a try along with me for a few months, 3-4 months. Take your portfolio to 1000 and let us see together what's the result. If it doesn't work out for me, I cannot say that it won't work out for you. Already my subscribers are getting results, so why can't I? That is my motivation, and so I have decided to upload only and only in iStock for now. Anyways guys, I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.